In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Todoist account. Todoist is a popular task manager that helps you organize your work, your personal life, and everything in between. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you from the very first search all the way to choosing how you want to sign up, so you can start using Todoist in just a few minutes. Let's begin on your preferred web browser. In the address bar or search bar, type the word Todoist and press enter. You should see a list of search results related to the Todoist website and app. Take a moment to make sure you're clicking on the official site, not an ad or something unrelated. The official result usually has the title, Todoist, a to-do list to organize your work and life, with a description explaining how it helps you manage tasks and projects. Click on that official Todoist link. This will take you to the main Todoist homepage. On this page, you'll see information about the app, some example screenshots, and a few buttons inviting you to get started. Look for the button that says Start Free. This is the option that lets you create a free account with no payment required upfront. Go ahead and click Start Free. After clicking, you'll be taken to the sign up page. Here, Todoist gives you several ways to create your account. Typically, you'll see options to sign up with an email address or using existing accounts like Google, Apple, or other supported services. Choose the option that feels most convenient and secure for you. If you decide to use your email address, you'll usually be asked to type in a valid email and create a strong password. Make sure you choose a password that you don't use anywhere else and consider using a password manager to keep it safe. If you sign up using Google, Apple, or another provider, you will be redirected briefly to confirm that you want to allow Todoist to use that account for login. Just follow the prompts on screen and then you'll be brought back to Todoist. Once you've picked and confirmed your sign-up method, your new Todoist account will be created and you'll be taken into the app, ready to start adding tasks and organizing your day. And that's all you need to do to create a Todoist